Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about the IsInt function in Autoit. It's a really easy function to understand. It's going to check a value or a variable to see if it's an integer or not, or a whole number. If it's not a whole number, meaning it has decimals, or it is a string, so it's words, this function IsInt will return false. If it is a whole number, it returns true. So let's see what this looks like in action. I'm going to start by making a variable called var, and I'm going to set it to 10. I'm also going to make an if statement. So if IsInt, and we're going to do var. If it is an integer, we're going to do a tooltip saying congrats, it's an int. Else, tooltip, oops, not an int. Oops. And if sleep for 1000, because we need to give our tooltips some time to show on screen. Also, make sure you put the then keyword. That always trips me up. Anyways, this code is pretty self-explanatory. If this number, value, whatever, is an int, this is gonna happen. If not, this will happen. Well, let's see it. Press F5. Congrats, it's an int. Let's do 10.55. This is not an int because it's a decimal. Let's try a string. Blah. Keyboard vomit. Oops, not an int. And just like the isNumber function and all the other isDataType functions, you can just put the value straight in here like that. Is it 10 an int? Sure is. Is 1000 an int? You got it. What about negative 1000? Is that an int? Sure is. But AAA is not an int. Anyways, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed.